Welcome. In this quick tutorial, we are going to show you TikTok could not find this account. It's super easy and we will make sure you get it right. Just make sure you are logged in and using the latest version. Make sure to watch the complete video and follow each step carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistake. TikTok could not find this account. How you can resolve this problem? Click on the TikTok app, click on this search bar and you are finding the someone's account and you are not getting the account. It means that the user have blocked that, deleted that account, and the other reason can be this, that the user have changed the username of the account and still you are not getting. It means that that person have to block you. That's why you are not searching for their account. And you have also the problem of internet connection. This problem will be resolved by clearing all these problems. And still problem, it means that the person or that account is not being active for the last 180 days. Thank you so much. That was all. Please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing and subscribing to our channel for more valuable content in the future. Your engagement is highly appreciated. I wish you very good luck. Thanks.